हरिः कर्ता।
Data formatting. In this specifically we'll look into the converting data types and addressing inconsistent data. So yep, so the first one we'll take up converting data types. So let's import pandas and also let's import the data set. So yep, so data is equal to pandas dot read CSV. So let me go for the data formatting. Yeah, so data, so this is what is our data set. Yeah, so 65 rows and 3 columns. We have date, product and sales of that product. So now let's convert a column from a text to numeric. So here we will take up the numeric column and then we'll convert that into text. Okay, so let me get into that example. So here if you look into that data set, it consists of a sales column and a product column, and we also have a date column. Okay, so now in this we will try to convert the date. We'll try to convert this sales one, which is basically a numeric column, into exactly the pandas data format. Okay, so now let's convert a column from text to numeric. So this one we are not sure, so what is that? So we'll try to convert that. We have the data and sales is equal to pandas dot to numeric and data of sales. So now let me put it here. Okay, so next let's convert a column from text to date type. Column from text to date time. So data of date is equal to pd to date time data of its date. Okay, then the last one we can convert a column from date time to a standardized format. That's also possible. So we can convert a date time to a standardized format. So data, date, standard is equals to data. We have date time column, and let's convert that using dt object, and I can apply the start string ftime str ftime, and let me make it a proper the first one is year, the second one is month, and the third one is day. Let's make it simple. Yeah, that's it. So now let's print the new data set. We have an issue here. Yeah, now let's see, and here it is. So we got and here it is. So your sales data has been properly converted. Then we have the date, and which has been standardized year, a month, and a day, and here is the data. Overall, a proper data formatting has been done. This is how we do the data formatting. Okay, so next what we have here is uh, addressing inconsistent data. How can we address inconsistent data? So addressing inconsistent data. Okay, so now let's take one example. So sir, we can we'll bring up the data first. We have pandas right now, so we'll call it data1, that's is equals to pd read csv, and inside that let me go for this data set. So data1, yep, this is what is our data set. Let me print it here. That's it. So this is our data set, and we have some inconsistencies inside this data. So you see that this is text, there is inconsistency, and if you see the weight is numerical variable, but it was given with 10 kg, 20 kg, 30 kg, and these are obviously categorical variables. So now let's handle each one by one. So let's clean inconsistent units in a column first. Okay, that's what we will do first. Let's clean inconsistent units in a column first. So data, and the column name is weight. Let me put it in kg because that's how I want. Okay. Then data, and that's the weight column. Okay. Okay, so I got it. This is data1, yeah, weight. So now I need to apply the string methods, basically that two from replace. Yeah, replace, and I just want to replace with the kg. I just want to replace the kg. Okay, kg. Yeah, that's it. And as I wanted to type of as type int. That's it. So one is done. Now let's do it other ones. Next one, let's clean inconsistent formats in a column. So basically this one text various format. One is, so this one we have to change. Third one, let's clean inconsistent formats in a column. So again, data 1 units formatted. So data 1 units. So string method, that's what, from there we can use a strip. So let's say string dot lower. Let's lower each everything. That's it. So next, let's clean inconsistent coding conventions in a column. Okay, let's clean inconsistent coding conventions in a column. So data, so let me put it as a product, its name cat, basically name category. So the product which comes under 10 kg, that's category A, 20 kg, that's category B, and another category 30, that's another category of A. Okay, let's name cat. So data 1 and replace what with what, that's what we have to type here. So A with category A and B with categories B. Then after that's done, let me wrap this one, let me close this. Yeah, execute, there is no issue. So now it's time to print the final data set. Let's print cleaned data set. So print data 1, and here it is. So the weight in kgs 10, 20, 30, which is int format. Then the inconsistent units, it was all converted into the lower case, and the name categories has been converted into the category A, category B, category A, category B. So this is how we apply a formatting technique under this one. Okay, so feel free to explore different techniques under which we can use lot of string formatting techniques or int formatting techniques, or the method from the string object and int object to format the way you want.